live? We live yet? Let's see if I can redeem myself today. Yesterday weren't the best of days, but we're still stuck in the range. Still pretty much stuck in the range all week. On the SP 500 gold. Gold pushed a little bit higher from yesterday. But yeah, pretty much in the range as well. So the whole market's waiting in anticipation. And just gotta see what happens. All right. Theo, how you doing, brother? Let's see what the rest of the market's doing. Just been focused on ES and gold this week. The euro's been ranged. Dollar has turned things around. So getting to be interesting to see where the dollar goes today. But it's pushing higher. But yeah, gold ES, it's going to be interesting. Honestly, don't have a clue which direction we're going to take. You just got to wait for the numbers. Obviously, this week, or well, from last week, Jerome Powell's been slightly hawkish, so markets have pared back their expectation for a 50 basis point rate hike. So he's been a little bit more hawkish. We've seen the dollar respond to that, but still pretty much at all-time highs on the SP 500 on all the indices, and we're still running up in the China markets. Actually, they've been on break. When are they coming back? China's been on holiday, but Andrea, how you doing? Any predictions? What are we thinking, people? T-Will, this is just a guess. I think gold is going to drop before it does anything else. Euro USD is going to drop before going higher. Interesting. Gold has been... We did get a little sweep yesterday of ISM. And I have been I've been a bit stubborn trying to short it. I did try to catch along yesterday. But it's yeah, gold just keeps on just grinding higher. It's not responded to the risk off bid at all. And it's just been ranged this week. So despite the conflict going on, despite everything else, gold hasn't really been reacting. So it'll be interesting to see if we do break lower. But yeah, that first hour of NFP, in between NFP and the US Open, it's going to be interesting. Usually there will be an opportunity, but yeah, we're going to see which direction we take. Axe, what's going on, brother? Oh no. How long did you keep that funded account, Axe? Was it in drawdown or was it in a lot of drawdown? Don't worry, Axe. You can get another one soon enough. Sucks though. Four months is good, Axe. I mean, the average lifespan of a funded account, I have no idea what that is, but I don't know. This is just a guess, but I reckon 70% of like funded accounts get burnt out in the first month, because a lot of people don't even get to a payout. So one payout, then lost it through drawdown. Okay, so it was like a long drawn out battle. Yeah. But yeah, go pat yourself on the back for having the patience though, because I know when you're in drawdown on a funded account, it's not nice. It's like, you know, you're just itching, trying to do everything to get it back. That's when you lose it quickly. But it seems like you had a bit of patience, which is good. 3 days, Andrea. Your first. What happened to my first one? Could have been something like that. My first one wasn't even with FTMO. It was a 200k with a prop firm that don't exist anymore. Prop trading. For prop trading, I think it was called. I know I didn't have that for longer than a week. Ben, average lifespan of a funded account is 4 trades or 4 hours. Man. I guess it's gotta be 2 days at least, because if you get your funded account and you hit daily drawdown, then that's quite bad. Funded next. I've never tried them, Axe. They do have a solid enough reputation. They have been around for a long time. Yeah, I hear the spreads are not too great when you get to the funded, but in terms of like reliability to get your payout and speed of the payout, apparently they got like a guarantee. They guarantee your payout within 24 hours, or you get 1k extra or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, I heard they're okay. They're okay. If they got some good, if they're a little bit cheaper, they got some good deals, then might be worth checking out. Eight minutes. First funded account had a 19, made 4.3k in 3 days, then lost it in the next 2 days and blew it. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough, man. But I've heard, Oz, you're not alone. You're not alone. I think the first funded account, I didn't even get it into profit, to be completely honest. It was it was bad from the start. But yeah, you gotta lock in that first payout, man. You gotta lock in that first payout. After losing I lost like, I don't know, maybe 3 funded accounts or 4 before I got my first payout. And yeah, I learned my lesson. Like, just get at least, like, when it got to that stage, it's like at least get 1%, lock that in, and then just be patient and wait. But yeah, I'm sure you're doing well now, though. David, let's go. They do buy one get one free offers, Axe. The press for a month. Oh man. Yeah, Oz. Yeah, just lock in those small consistent payouts and let it build up. Greed's a killer for real. Buy one get one free offers. I'm gonna have to check that out. But normally that's like a bit of a red flag. But I think with Funded Next, they've got a decent reputation, so might be worth checking out. Got to 3k, then done it in. Yeah. There's got to be some way to stop ourselves sometimes, you know? To stop ourselves going mad. Because it does happen, man. It does happen. It happens to everyone. One thing about these funds accounts trying to see is testing you guys' patience. If these funds were really scams, they are winning. Yeah, it's all about patience, T-Wall. Second one got account the day after MYFF shut down. Damn. That's tough. That sucks. Well, I'm currently not funded. I need to get back in the funded club. Get back in a funded club. And the thing about these funded accounts, you can turn it around real quick. Like, you might be going through a losing streak, you might not feel like, for myself, I don't really feel at all like great at the moment with my trading, or like in terms of confidence or self-belief. So I'm not like burning through accounts now. I'm trying to take it slow, watch my costs, of course. Once I establish, you know, I'm getting back on the right path, once I'm building back self-belief and confidence, you could turn things around real quick. Then you go and invest in a few challenges, and then you can build it up real quick. So, you know, it's just about, yeah, lifting yourself up. Axe, I've heard worse. I've heard like people running it up 20k and then blowing it. But yeah, 3k is like, you gotta respect it. You got to respect 3k, man. But yeah, it's greed. Greed kicks in. And then not even greed, it's like when you've got the funded profits. When you got funded profits and then you take a loss, it stings, because that's money that you could actually, you visualize that money already, that you could take it out. Like, that money you feel like it's yours. So it actually, that loss stings harder. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, gotta be prepared for that. But after losing a few accounts, you kind of, or getting a few payouts, you kind of, I guess it gets a bit, I mean, it's always a test. But 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. It's make or break time. Let's get both gold. I know I'm still looking at the CFD charts, even though I'm trading futures, just because I'm used to watching the CFD charts. But when I'm ready to execute, I'm gonna jump back on the futures chart. Why don't my markups come over? Still watching this level here. Still haven't swept that. Laughing at our sorrows, Axe. Yeah, I mean, scumbags. Some of them come. ACG don't offer support to their funded traders. Yeah, I've never tried ACG, but FTMO, I've had one-on-one coaching sessions or performance coaching sessions. When you got a funded account, they actually offer you real support. Like, you can book an appointment and then speak to someone. If you're going through drawdown, do you know what I mean? Can speak to like a performance coach. So in terms of support for their funded traders, FTMO, okay, literally 30 seconds. Up or down, guys? Are we selling off? Give us your predictions. Right now, I'm just sitting back observing the first 15, 30 minutes. I don't think I'll be taking any trades. I just want to see what levels we hit, what liquidity gets taken, and see if something sets up into the US Open, or could even wait until after the US Open. There will be opportunities. Okay, gold going down. Not really a very okay, not too much of a reaction, to be honest. What are the numbers, people? I hate TradingView, just doesn't update. Somebody give me the numbers. Okay, not much of a reaction. Inside copy trade, yep. FTMO funded account, 10 months, taken 9 payouts, scaled up, tries to win until. That's an achievement, Theo. Well done. That's real. That's big. FTMO gave you 1-on-1 acts. Yeah, they're decent, no? Sold off. Lambo lots buy. 254k. Thanks, Prince Philip. Wow, that's a huge beat. 254k headline number. All right. Go down the retest break of structure area on the weekly. Let me just have a quick look at other markets, even though I'm not trading it. GU's just gone down. EU's gone down, so we've got a breakout on dollar. Dollar's just broken. Well, it already tapped into 102, so that's comfortably above it now. Let's have a look at yields quickly. Yields spiked up, obviously. Nat gas dumping. Mawson, you still in that sell trade, yeah? Double top held, yes. So you're still holding. Nice, nice, nice. Smashed it. What's oil doing? A little bit of a dump. Right, so not much of a reaction, to be honest, what I'm looking at. We've had a big reaction on the dollar. Decent reaction. Held. Nice, nice. Huge beat though. Gonna let it run. Yeah, if you catch a runner on NFP, it's nice. Not gonna partial out a little bit. Might be worth taking a partial. Bought bottom of gold, double bottom. Now we pray. Let's pray. Let's pray for Oz. US stocks open in an hour. Maybe another reaction. Yeah. Probably going to wait until the open. Not much of a reaction so far. Big beat. Big headline number beat though. So the markets has got to digest that. 2640. Just managing it. Partial out, just a suggestion. Don't know. Very muted reaction. I guess when everybody's anticipating something and the market's been range, it's just kind of disappointed everybody. Not much to work with here. Gold is still kind of we haven't really broken. Haven't really closed. Gold's still very resilient. We've got dollar breaking out. We've even got yields pushing higher. And gold is still not breaking down. O's getting teased. Might be in a right trade, mate. Might be. Gold has been very resilient. 26.50. Yeah, you got this. SP 500 is decent move up. Who sells next week, T-Will? Dollar's looking really strong. 45 could reject easily. Yeah, you gotta be a little bit nimble with NFP. Remember, NFP not for professionals. That's a good one. We're steaming towards all-time highs again. Not far off now. So strong beat. So guess got a price settle down a little bit. Maybe there's going to be an opportunity come open. But it looks like indexes have looking like they want to turn bullish into the open. Gold don't really know what it wants to do. It's still in that range, pretty much. Hopefully it will head back up. Israel waited 6 weeks for TP. What are you trading? That's a long time. EU. Yeah, EU is slow, isn't it? It's one of them slow pairs. It's moving now though. Swear you never seen gold this slow. Yeah, the last few days it's been slow. Still practically in the same range. Gold, gold, gold. Oh yeah, no, this is the futures, that's why. And then 45, yeah. Looks like it's moving down. Your futures 2660. I thought futures was all the same price. It's coming down a little bit now though. And Ready to trade NFPT? Keep getting higher on the SP5. Sounds like a good idea. T-Well, yeah. I'm waiting to see what happens at the open. Strong numbers. SP 500 looks like it can keep going. Gold's about to break yesterday's low. Gold is going to go down. I have been like probably more on the bearish side with gold. Tried to short yesterday, got stopped. Tried to get long here. Sized in, got stopped out. So yeah, it hasn't been great for me, gold. But we have been in a range, basically. Hovering the break even. Yeah. The thing with NFPOs, sometimes you just gotta cut quick, no? Because those bounces, and if it starts falling here, you just don't know how far it's gonna fall. The next level I'm watching is about 26, 24. Strange though, because gold was like didn't really break down too much, even though yields and dollar spiked up big. It was taking its time to move down. Normal TP would have been hit 45. That would have been a quick move, no? Yeah, don't worry. Maybe this will be another opportunity to open. Don't worry. I don't really seeing us change directions much into the session. SP 500 does look like we've just consolidated. Now we're ready to keep pushing higher. So it'll just be the question of looking for a good pullback, I think, on ES. Don't really see it. Well, could be surprised, but I think I'll be looking for a buy at some stage. Gold, wouldn't really want to touch it, or buying, that is. Using the rule of 4, JDC. What's that? Lord Trini bought oil. What's oil been doing? Let's have a look. No, it's been rallying the last few days. Where is it? Yes. I don't know if you're still here, Gav. That gas is looking nice. Still here, still here. That gas looks like a killer trade, man. You gonna let it run? I mean, it's ran a lot, no? Smashed it. Zooming in a little bit. Nice, nice. Getting back in buys. O's. It's a decent bounce. From 40. I was kind of thinking the same, but not for much, just for a little bit. Not much. SP 500 is not really telling us much. Looks like it wants to keep going. We're going to wait until the open. See if we do get some kind of pullback. And see how it pulls back. What kind of momentum. If we get a pullback. We'll be looking for buys. Gold's a tricky one. PT 50 pips TP light work. Good. It's looking okay. Nice. Love to hear it. Looking like it wants to squeeze a bit. Not too much though. .45 could reject a little. Yeah. I was thinking it was going to squeeze a little bit. Not sure how far it's going to go. But yeah, that was a good buy. Looks like we're squeezing. Gold's just been very, very resilient despite everything. Yields is up. Dollar's still up. For the past year, you gotta be rich by now then. Gold is having a big rally. 3K is possible by the end of the year. Getting there, God willing. So not far from the open, sitting at highs on the SP 500. Kalo, what's up? Mad yo, love bro. NFP a little bit light. Yeah, not a crazy reaction to be fair. Quite muted. Big headline number. Way larger than expected. Almost 100k more. But it seems like, yeah, reaction's been very muted. We've been in a very tight range. Middle of the week. Dollar's having its day though. Starting to break out. But yeah, trying to look for an opportunity on gold and ES. We're trying to be a bit more patient than yesterday. Yesterday didn't go too well. So yeah, sitting at the highs. Looks like we're in buys. We'll see what happens when we come to the open. And gold, I'm not really sure what it wants to do. We'll see. Yesterday I was bugging. I mean, I took 3 L's and there was bad trades. Definitely. The last trade could have worked out. But yeah. Well, my best day. After open some setups. I know. A lot of people were telling me to cut the trade. Should have listened. I need to get better at cutting trades. But I just took the stop. But yeah, bad. Two not so good trades yesterday. Bad trades. Let's see if I can redeem myself today, huh? So I'm gonna be extra patient. I mean, NFP hasn't really changed anything for me other than we look like we are getting into buys. It's broken out of this range now. So I'll be interested in buys at the open or coming into the open. Gold, I don't really have a clear picture on gold, to be honest. It's still kind of in this range. And if you look at the range we've been in, yeah, very tight moves. Still grinding higher though, it looks like, on gold. Could get back to where it was pre-NFP. Gold looks like a sell. I have been like stubbornly bearish the last few days on gold. But I played myself because I was just in a range. Because like the way I see gold at the moment, it's not really behaving how it should. So it's just, there was a bit of profit taking coming into this week. We had a lot of news, constant news on the conflict. Gold was not really getting any risk off bid off the back of that, and yeah, it's just been, gold's been acting weird. But then again, we've just been in a range. But dollars strong. Yields are up, and gold's still treading water, so it's still kind of, it's still got strength there, but it's just been yeah, it's just been kind of just treading water at the moment. Looking for a buy on SP 500 probably be an easier bet, but we'll see at the open. If things could like with NFP, things could just change direction in an instant. So we'll see. We'll see. It's been a slow week. Do me a favor, guys. Like up the stream. Still just T-Will, you want to see how the 15-minute closes? You still looking for sells? I was only able to see 3 comments. I watched yesterday's stream a second time to learn. I know it's only able to see 3 comments. Did it get deleted? Nah, Mark. I think when you watch back the stream, the chat doesn't appear for a little while. So like maybe it does. It's not there the next day, but like after a couple days, you can see the chat. That's what I've noticed. So it takes a little while for YouTube to load the chat. Not much to learn from yesterday's stream, if I'm being honest. How not to trade, maybe. Looking at the daily and zoom out, only see buys. I hear you. I mean, yeah. When you look at the daily or the higher time frames on things like gold, even SP 500, you can only draw one conclusion, and that's buys. But we still got to okay, we got US Open in about 5 minutes. Mawson out, close profits. Nice. Oscar, how you doing, brother? Mark paper trading GC full ported the dip up 7k. Nice. Cheese Scoot, what's happening? Nothing much yet. Haven't taken any trades. Just waiting to see what happens at the open. Muted reaction on NFP, in my opinion. Not much movement, but Pantelas, I'm currently living in the Philippines. M15 reacting to a strong area of interest. Gold starting to push now. Looks like we're going to keep on squeezing here. We'll see if we get a pullback at the open. Pull back to 45 to go again. Okay, we got to open now. Oh, we just opened. Alright. Sell Kalo. I would sell if we start breaking below 2640. But for now, it still looks like it's trapped in and still squeezing. Wait for 5778 ES. That would be nice. Going at 50. Not a bad shout. Going off a yes. It's going off. A bit lower maybe. This looks aggressive. One more entry at 45. TJ, how you doing? So slow, yeah. I was just thinking that I think we just, I don't know, seem to be consolidating a little bit. So I'm just wary that I'm gonna jump into something. I'm looking at both buys to be fair. Gold, if we break down below 2640, I might be looking for sells. So it's kind of like, am I gonna wait for the pullback? It looks the price action looks very like it's just creeping up. But I mean, this reaction of NFP didn't really break any structure on gold for sure. And we're just back inside, nearly back inside the range that we've been in midweek on the SP 500. So it could just be a non-event. So I'm just trying to be patient. Pantelis, no, I'm not a swing trader. I'm a intraday trader. I wish I was a swing trader. Better lifestyle for sure. Gold sleeps today. Gold's been sleeping all week, pretty much. I still think we got like traders trapped down from here, or even here. So unless it breaks here, I'm not going to be looking for sells. I'd much rather just I don't know, it's taking its time. Still, we're only 10 minutes into the US session. Let's just see if things speed up a bit here. Yeah, that sounds good, Oz. I'm meant to be scalping myself. I'm just trying to be a bit more patient after yesterday. I think we might get one more pullback on the SP 500. Be interesting if we start reversing on the dollar again, and then on yields, gold might finally find, I mean, it's already very resilient. That's the thing, it's hard to be short in this. That's why I've stayed out of the short side yet, because despite strong dollar, strong yields, like, it's just been in this range. Like, it's just doesn't really want to break lower. So it's like, and then on the SP, just want to be looking for a buy somewhere. Archie, how you doing, bro? How's the challenge going? Confusing, yeah, same. Was up 80% on TP. Oh, you're on futures as well then. Waiting for a setup, Archie. Yeah, it's not really giving us much. Just in the range. .3% drawdown. Don't worry about that. All good. Jula, I'm good. How you doing? Trading, haven't took any trades yet. Muted response. I'm sorry, muted reaction on NFP, I think. And we're still in a range on gold, which is what I'm watching. So still waiting. Archie trying to switch to swing trading. That's strange though. What firm are you with, Oz? Because this is like, what's it called? Are you sure are you trading the current contract? Maybe you're because they've got like October, November, December. Sometimes the contracts are different, so the pricing on the contracts are different. Might be that. You're with Alpha, I think. Yeah, Alpha. Yeah. Interesting. 2670. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Sorry, I'm confusing you. I'm looking at the CFD chart because I've only just moved to futures, so I'm so used to looking at the CFD chart. I know it's the same thing, but I'm so used to looking at prices on the CFD chart. I just know where I am better on the CFD chart. So that's why I'm still looking at the CFD chart, but when I go execute, I'm going to go and trade of it. So same price. I'm on GC74, yeah. 24. Huh. So yeah, my price is 2670. I keep confusing you. Yeah, I'm still looking at the CFD charts. Cause yeah, still just used to seeing the CFD numbers, to be fair. Yes, exactly the same price action, Oz. Pretty much. Kirian, not too bad. Haven't taken any trades today. How you doing? Aaron, head up, bro. Don't let it get like that. Gold's still looking good. Gold's taking off. O's, you still in, yeah? Second TP done. Nice. Yep, keep that consistency target going. But yeah, some good trades you took today. I've got my patient hat on today. Okay, got the first hour, got the 10 a.m. hour coming up. Feel bad tapping shit. What are you talking about, bro? Looking for a sell on gold, Archie? Go. What's up? What's up? Just had a 4-win streak this week. Another nice. You're on fire at the moment. I know what you mean, Oz. No worries. Share it, yeah, share it on DC. What's your Discord name, Go? I need to check in with the Discord more often, you know. I mean, I was thinking about a long on ES, but I don't like the way it just ran straight through that. Do I trade Euro USD? No, not really past life. I trade GU sometimes, well, quite often, but at the moment I'm trading futures, so I've not been trading GU. EU for me is same thing, but it's just a little bit more boring, I would say. What's the Discord? It's in the description. Link should still be active. What are the results when I back tested my strategy? Varies really. Varies quite a bit. How do you see the DXY? It's bullish. We've had some strong numbers as well today. Nas Waps, you are. Yeah, I haven't really touched Nas past life. It's a bit wild. I'm normally on ES, but I do want to learn how to trade Nas too. This don't look too good. Could we get... Oh, row E, of course. Sorry, man. I see you. Yeah, I'm always open to help. Go. I'm always open to help. I'm still a student myself. I was learning more ICT stuff the last month or so. Or while I was on holiday, I was running through a lot of videos, taking a lot of notes, back testing. Isaac flipped 6 to 100 and was targeting 300 on a gold drop. He was doing one of those mad NFP flips, eh? 6 to 100 is crazy. I don't know. This don't look too great. I was bullish, but the way we just displaced straight back. I don't know. Let's see. Gold's pushing, but seems to be stalling a bit as well. Gold move surprising. What's surprising about it, Ben? It's acting very strange at the moment. It's not responding to dollar strength. It's not responding to yield strength. It's been very resilient. NFP funeral vibes. This is the music I always play, Isaac. It's meant to be an uplifting song, actually. It's a Christian song. Hot NFP means less aggressive curves from the Fed. You would think it'd be bearish for gold. Yeah, but gold is just, I don't know, it's just weird. We've got a conflict going on. Never really found strength from that this week. Raja lost 22k today for the news. I didn't even know he still live streamed. Good point. Gave us an entry, but didn't like the way it just displaced there. What hour is this? It's into that candle. I don't really trust it. Let's think, what have we been doing today? Same O's. Yeah, I knew I shouldn't have trusted it. But that must mean it might be a good time to think about the short side. It's coming all the way back. Eesh. Could that have just been a big flush? I don't know. It's a big rejection, man. So you just on gold. Gold's just been chilling. Don't know why. Jide, how you doing? Give me some help here on ES. What are we doing? Same currency. Every currency is saying they just move different pip values. Yeah, some people trade all the currencies, especially swing traders, but I tend to stick to GU mostly. So below bar 3. Bounce from here, test high of day. I was looking for a pullback, got it, but I didn't really like the momentum on the way down here, so I've kind of just been holding back. Hey Glaze, not too bad, haven't taken any trades yet. NFP was kind of the initial reaction was quite muted. Bar 3945 ET bar. That was a good short then. Here comes a bounce. This one closes. It's a good bounce. Needs to close on his highs. You're on the 5 minute, no, Jide? Close at the highs. I'm also thinking to get long. I'm so confused on this trade of 8. Just got filled. Gonna have to give it some room. Steepness of the bear log, yeah. I need to put my stop in as well. Yeah, do that. Thanks, Jade. small position, so let's see. Good reaction though. Yeah, basically we need to break through here. I think we're okay. Was waiting for the pullback, but just it did look quite aggressive on the way down, so I kind of lost my confidence in it. But today, let's see how it goes. Stan, how you doing? Yeah, of course. I was waiting for a buy, but it's just that it just scared me on the way down. So I just stepped aside. But we'll see. Trust Jide. He's a good person to trust. Gold has just been, damn, it's just been consolidating. I know gold is just it just doesn't want to push further. Gold's in consolidation, still sitting on your hands. Yeah, I mean, for me, the gold squeezed up, probably trap some shorts down here. If you break through here, I'll be interested in sells again. And I was thinking that we was gonna, break back above NFP, where we came from, but we're not. So it's just stalling. And with this trade, even if it don't work out, if we start breaking down, then I could be interested in sells. I just thought giving it a long is worth a shot. If 577 holds, might need to go back test this, as round numbers look like it'll be working well. Yeah, round numbers are always good levels, really. I might short gold out of this consolidation as well. I think sell on gold. Thinking about it, to be honest. That's alright today. It's worth a shot. Still think there's buyers below. Yeah, let's just see. Could be. I don't know. NFP is just come and gone. First hour of the US session. I don't know. Price action hasn't been that great this week, in my opinion. In two positions, Kylo. Short, TP26. It is interesting, gold. But if I see it break down past here, that's confirmation for me. Close it out, Ken. Nah. Might even add to it if we bounce back up. No, I can't swing futures. Archie looking for a start 26.57. Yeah, it doesn't look like a bad sell, but maybe it's still got a bit of squeeze to it. King Foodie, how you doing? Got in my first trade on ES. Lit NFP pass. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, got stopped out. It's all good. Gold just doesn't want to move. Nice, nice, King Foodie. NQ's been feeding you, huh? Gold is fake. What is NQ doing though? Is it also giving it all back? It has. Interesting. Looks like it can go further down, to be fair. Take out London lows. Have a great weekend, Isaac. I'm thinking to take a short on ES. I just don't like this. There's some strength behind these bars here, so I think we could easily start selling off. But I think there's another bounce in this. I'm not gonna short it from here. Gold, probably gonna leave it alone. It just, if anything, it's probably just gonna keep grinding higher. Don't look bearish no more. Manly, how you doing? Shorting gold? For me, gold don't look too bearish unless we break here. But yeah, traders definitely got trapped down here. And just looks like it just wants to just slowly grind higher. We'll go check out the DXY in a second. DXY is still pointing up. Same with yields. For me, when gold is moving with the dollar, moving with dollar strength and yields regardless, that means gold is strong. But it might not go anywhere. Might just be, it's just being very resilient right now. So I need to see confirmation before thinking about a short. I'm scalping this. I'm not holding it. Yeah, maybe we're not going to get a bounce. That was a waste of time. See, I was waiting for a bounce to short it, and I thought, let me just buy and scalp it up. So I think we're gonna get a bounce, but maybe not gonna get no bounce. But I wanna short it from here. It's probably gonna go right now, but I ain't gonna touch it. No, it's not bouncing. Might just be a straight sell. Alright, here we go. Bad habit, trying to scalp the bounce. Trying to, if I want to go short and I thought, oh yeah, it's ready to pull back, I'm trying to then trade the pullback, but that's a bad habit. Now I'm going to trade the short like I wanted to. So lost that last trade was, shouldn't be doing that. But bounce. Should just really just be getting in here. How do I change this to candlesticks? This is so annoying. Oh yeah, here we go. And time frame. Read one, 4 years. On and off. Yeah, I know. Bad habit. Break and retest 57.50. probably not even gonna bounce much. What's gold doing? Let's wait. Ah, that was late. Just for a small position. Oh, gold got slipped a bit. Maybe we're breaking out this consolidation. Looks like it wants to go higher, but this is, yeah, just a small position. Just keep track of it. And oh no. SP 500 looks suspicious. I'm not even gonna wait for SP 500. I think if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. Alright, let's see. Yeah, Archie, just done a buy on gold. I was thinking go for the breakout of this consolidation. If we get down here, I'm gonna add in on the SP 500 if I'm right. Max loss is 2.5K. I'm starting to bleed losses now, though, to be honest. So far. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. Hopefully, King Fudi. I'm kind of like, I realized this week I've just not been on point. Like, so I do definitely need to like just refresh over the weekend and just figure some things out. But yeah, just I don't know. It's like I wait and wait and wait, and then wait so long, I start looking. I don't know, man. Yeah, I hear that. That's such a big stop as well, I just realized. Only on one micro. Oh no. Oh, there you go. It's coming for 4 o'clock. Just realized as well. And this is me being like, I should like I knew it was bouncing up here, but then when it started messing around, I thought, oh no, maybe it's ready to go. 3-day losing streak, bro. I'm right there with you, Archie. Not too great. Alpha. What's up, Cowboy? Took a couple small losses. Yeah, like roughly, not journaling it in like. Do you know what I mean? I need to catch up. So annoying. Just got stopped out for this bounce. And this is where I want to take a short from anyway. So I went long to catch this. Got stopped out. Then foil was ready for the short. Got stopped out. 0 server Thanos right now. Should have waited for the short. And we've got the hourly close. But you know what? It's still like small losses, to be honest. It's still like keeping it small, but this is what I should be shorting from here. And the mistake I made, I wanted to go long for the bounce this here. So I went long for the bounce, just got stopped out. Then I thought, oh, maybe the short's just ready to go. But you know what? I'm still gonna short. I'm still gonna catch the short. Let's just see if we get let's just see after the hourly close. Part of the game we're playing. Yeah, I hear you, bro. I hear you. This gold trade don't have enough size on, but this is what I wanted to catch. But it's annoying. This is why, even if you know, okay, you're waiting for a pullback here, don't try and play the pullback. Yeah, it starts getting cloudy. Do you know how many trades followed your plan versus didn't this week? Good question, bro. I didn't follow my plan yesterday. But that's the thing, you can have a plan. Like my plan yesterday was play the range and I didn't stick to it. That's when it gets frustrating. This is my plan. I wanted to get short from here. And I'll still get short. I'm not gonna rush it. Thanks, Bang. Hopefully. Run trades. Why didn't you stick to it? Nobody's perfect, bro. Gold. Yeah, gold's going. Should have put more on this. Not too great, Trader Joe, to be honest. Took a few losses. I thought I was supposed to stay off the 1 minute. I know, man, but it's just futures, right? Futures is like it. Everybody trades the 1 minute on futures because your intraday, you're just trying to scalp and get those base hits, isn't it? But it's okay. It's all good. I'm only basically every trade I've taken has been on stream. I don't take trades off stream at the moment, so you guys can keep me in check. But yeah, it's just been a question of I don't know, just waiting. Then tension builds up. You're waiting, trying to be patient. You're watching price action play out. Now everything's played out for NFP, and now we're just getting the leftovers. Futures you need to scalp, yeah. 5 and 50, yeah, could go 5 and 15 minute. Don't have to be on the 1 minute, to be fair. 5 minute for scalping is all okay as well, MD. One minute has 100%. So many fake outs. Just got faked out of the long here for this bounce. That was the trade I was looking for. And then, but to take it short. Now we're here. I've took a loss. I took 2 losses instead of just waiting for it to get up here. Do you know what I mean? If you made these mistakes in the past, you should be learning from your mistakes. Trading is more than the charts. If you don't master yourself, you'll keep making the same mistakes, bro. Trust me. Yeah, I know. Of course, man. Have to master ourselves. Not say I definitely haven't. That's the truth. The hardest thing to do is it's hard. But yeah, I guess everyone's different. Everyone's different, bro. Thing about trading is, yeah, trading for me, maybe not for many, maybe not for like other people, but yeah, I have made the same mistakes over and over and over again. slowly and steady. There's been periods where I've improved, but yeah, I'm stuck in this period now. But yeah, I need to get out of it. But yeah, it's tough. It's tough. Easier said than done. Luke thought today was Saturday. Are you still long O's on gold? Thought you were still long. MD. Ah, yeah, you said, well done. Stick to that consistency, yeah. Well done. That's the thing with futures. That's why it's like, you don't even need to push that hard or like try hit home runs all the time, no? So yeah, let me see. Don't really want to go short if it gets above here for sure. Profit after a couple losses, Philip, but it's not even much. I'm looking. I was messing around with the SP 500, so I'm gonna try do what I need to do on the short. But then again, it's like, give it a little bit longer. Give it a little bit longer. am I just seeing things? Is it just making me, has it just turned me into wanting to take a short? And I'm wrong. It's just gone straight through that. I'm not even paying attention to gold. I'm just paying attention to get back these mistakes on SP, but I'm not even paying attention to what's happening on gold. What's happening? It's pushing. Don't really have any size on. I think the only thing would be look for a way to add in maybe. Alright, there you go. In short, last chance. And let me just put my stop here for a second. Haikanashi. Yes, yeah, you could be right, bro. Haikanashi, no. I know it's a good way to know about the trend, right? Yeah, to stay out bad trades. I see a lot of people use Haikanashi actually, even in futures trading. So that's a good shout. Yeah, it looks like a bad trade maybe. Oh no. At least one trade's working out. Should have put more on. You know, I'm messing around with this SP, man. I realized that I'm a bit what's it called? I'm a bit blind on it. So I've just reduced my stop, but yeah. I think I got tricked. Got tricked out. Yeah, I'm really let myself down with SMP. I was looking for the buy. Then started seeing displacement and I thought, nah, it looks bad, so I stayed away. Went for the buy here, popped, got stopped out. Went for the buy here again, but just to actually get back up to where we are now, got stopped out, tight stop, and then went for the sell. Now went for the sell again. So it's kind of like all good though. It's all good. cut S&P, same story as yesterday. Yeah, man. You're right. How do I cut it though? How do I cut all? Because if I exit control market, I've got two trades. So if I go like that, what am I doing? I did want to cut it. What stage of the prop firm? It's only stage 1, Brian, because it's a futures firm. But yeah, definitely need to come back better next week. This is not good. This is not good at all. How much we down by today? We're down by not much, like $200, but yeah, this messing around in the S&P wasn't good. Wasn't good at all. Yeah, I've heard of them, Trader Joe. I am interested in them. I'm definitely interested. It sounds exciting, but probably need to start. I still need to get a hang of things. I still need to get back into a good place trading. So there's no point in me taking them now. Maybe in a few weeks when I start getting a hang of these MYFF funds evaluations. Make that back in a day. Yeah, it's just my performance. It's been bad. It's been bad for well, since I was last streaming, it was starting to get bad. Then come back to it. It's not so good. Only trade that way. Yeah, that's a difficult. Yeah, that's something that's just very hard to fit with my personality. To like, say for example, if you got higher time frame direction and then only take buys, if it's like, if you're trading intraday or like lower time frame, it's difficult for me to do that. But it does kind of gives you good structure. Gold's moving quite a bit. Trader Joe, you're funny. That's the thing, you know. I bought the bounce. I wanted to buy this bounce to get here to go short. If this starts going short now, I don't know. Then maybe it's looking good. Let's see. Is it possible? Very late in the session. Yeah. Starting to go though. Let's see. Just done it, mate. Just done it. F it. It's I need to change this. New. No, wait. So 12. And just type a stop. Because if it comes back up here, I'm done anyway. Buy stop. Right. Yeah, kind of go. Kind of got the hang of it now. Let's see. Was a bit late adding to this. But yeah, if we do come back up here, then I'm like done. Like that's my plan done. You know, it could easily come back up here though, because it's kind of gold is here is its target. Yeah, you're right, Thanos. I'll be honest with you guys. How do I close out I just close it all manually. It looks okay. I was meant to add in. This is only like a starter position. I was meant to add into it, but I got distracted by. I got distracted by the SP 500. Just coming back. But I think it would be a good idea to let's just close it all manually. Yeah, I'd have to do it one by one. Could still go, to be fair. Thanks, man. Still in this bad trade. Bad, not really bad, but if we get taken out, we get taken out. Is what it is. Is what it is. You guys are fully helping me today, you know. Smells bad for ES. How do I look at trade history? Hey Vivian, how you doing? What did I start the day with? I was down. Hopefully, server. If we can break these lows, it'll be interesting. Reduce risk. This was, you know, the funny thing is, you see when I took this long trade, I was saying I'm buying it to bounce up here so I can go short. That was a mistake because I should never do that, but it was my plan to go short from here. But then I went short from here, and then took a loss, and then I took this loss. Hopefully this actually is what it's meant to be doing. Gold entry looks good. Yeah, somebody from the chat, I forgot who was telling me to get out. Thank you, whoever that person was. I forgot now what it was. But yeah, it was good. I just got out at the top. The chat was telling me, get out. And I was like, oh yeah, maybe. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get out. It doesn't even show where I got out. But then people were telling me, get out. Chat, I've been leaning on the chat a lot today. Bring that stop down. Yeah, you're right. I could bring it down. I could bring it down a touch. Definitely bring it down a touch. Scroll up, it was you. Nah, I appreciate it. But if I didn't get stopped out of this, then it would have been perfect. I would have bought this, got out here, shorted it. You know, then it would have looked good, right? But then I did get stopped out of it, and then I decided to be impatient. But then the Audi closes in front of me. Let's see, man. Let's hope we get a break. Let's hope we get a break here. And then see. Let's see. goes. Exit at 57.50. Yeep. It's NFP day, right? It's NFP. It's NFP. This could go further. O's breakout working 20% of the time. You know what though? I bought this breakout O's literally at the break and it worked out perfectly. So breakouts is, I do like breakout. I do like breakouts, to be honest. But it does get me in trouble. But yeah, the way it was consolidating there and it had traders trapped down here after NFP, that was tidy. Red 15 following reversal. Happy you didn't listen to the cuts. No, it's understandable because I wanna cut when a position's giving me heat. That's the first thing that's going through my mind. Wanting to cut. Do you know what I mean? I get it. So they're not wrong. That's a little greedy. How many points you collected? Less one trade, you'll be up on the day. What did I start the day at though? Because I already took a couple losses, so I'm probably flat on the day now. Yeah, I am. I'm basically flat or up a little bit. But I'm waiting for the break. There's a reason why I'm waiting for this. Because I could take something off. How do I take something off? Yeah, I could take some off, I think. Let me see. Let me take 3 off. Pay myself at the lows. Okay. I don't know. Chat's controlling my brain right now. What time is it? I'll pay myself at the lows for sure. Like one contract, that's 100%. Spikes up on news. I don't think there's any news, is there? Cheers, Cheese Scoot. Have a good weekend. I was 400 down. Yeah. So I'm back in profit, I guess. Well, on the day, yeah. But still. Just starting a break, Kent. That's good. Thanks for the heads up. Oh, there you go. Maybe. No more news today. Good. Alright, so I'm gonna pay myself 1. Bye. Alright, pay myself 1. I think that was a good decision to add though, because otherwise I wouldn't have much on. It would be good to break this low soon. One contract better than nothing, yeah. Come on, man. Just break the low, please. Just break the low, man. There you go. Come on. Paper trade up 15k, multiple full pots. I need to actually make it a habit, Mark, to paper trade as well. Maybe not as crazy as that, but just like, I think it's a good way to get. I know a lot of people also trade demo accounts and paper trade accounts alongside their other accounts. It's kind of like release those impulsive trade ideas, if you know what I mean. Ken, it will break. It will break because you're short. Alright, let's go, Ken. Take another contract off, then relax. True. Another contract won't do too much. Let's see. We're just at the lows though. Let's give it. Take another contract off, Joe. Yeah, Kylo. I got that idea from you, brother. Oh, I should change my stop. No, why isn't that changed? Would love a gold buy, O's. You don't need a gold buy. You're done for the day. You're good. Moving average trap does help get lower risk with second entry. Hikens keep me in the trade for longer. The thing about Hikanashi, yeah, it doesn't show you when it, yeah, I get what you mean. It keeps you in the trend for longer now. I get confused by it when I look at it still. Yeah, Joe, you're right. It is kind of just but I need to have some conviction here. I need to have some conviction. Archie just sold gold. Funny thing is, that was crossing my mind, Archie. Not maybe not right now, but it's a decent rejection. Archie, don't trust you. I know gold could be ready to go down though. The dollar's going down. I'm not even looking at gold. Oh yeah, I'm looking at gold. How's the studying going with ICT concept? I need to get back on it, Trader Joe. I've been slacking, but I'll probably like go over some more videos on the weekend. Kylo still holding the sell. So what are you short on, Kylo? I forgot now. Just building a base here. ICT is in the Robbins cupping. Oh yeah, I heard about that. Oh, Kylo Gold, you're braving the storm, mate. 2680 even. I think ICT is live streaming right now actually. I tried to watch some of his live streams before while I was in Thailand, but gold. Archie's in the money right now. I'm also thinking about a gold sell. Cause it's done all of that. This could just be some fake move. Market already made concepts. Hey Sudo. Doing good. So. Bit messy on S&P. Thinking about the gold short as well. Gold sell doesn't make any sense, hasn't broken any lows. Yeah, but it's rejected. It's like this could have just been a run up to just trap everybody up high. But yeah, would have been a bit risky shorting it from here. But let me see. Where could I go short from? It's come all the way back. Basically came all the way back to where it broke out from. Alright, so this is starting to spin back on me now. Maybe I should have took some more off. Jeez. Putting some heat on me. Take care of the ES position first. Yes, sir. You're right. Does look juicy though, the shorts. When market trading goes 24 hours. I was greedy not to take it off of the lows. Possible gold demand buy zone at 26.68. I think Archie's right. I think Archie's got it. Because I was thinking the exact same thing. I think this is just a fake move. And now it's ready to go down. Kylo as well. Kylo's held the short as well. I'm not even paying attention to my own position. And it's just come all the way back. But I was also you see? Too slow. But it's probably got a bit more to it. Yeah, I should have took some more off. Didn't break, and then I've let it come all the way back now. I should move my stop. Is what it is. Wait. I've moved my stop, not completely break even. But yeah, that was yeah, I was probably I never got the breakout, so I should have been a bit more cautious. My buy stop is 4 contracts. Thank you. You're right. Thank you. Thank you, Trader Joe. Should be free. Oh wait. See, I'm still like a amateur when it comes to futures. So I need to make this 9. And then put it here. Buy stop. See? My chat's been helping me a lot today. Archie saw that demand on gold. Up 30 ticks off the ES bounce. Trade. I was in a gold long. And now in a short SP. But I think we're going down. I think we're going down on gold. Archie, you didn't hesitate. You went for it. Well done. But yeah, I mean, we are coming up to lunchtime, so maybe we're not gonna get any like really strong moves. So we'll see. We'll see. TP went. This is where the chat told me to get out, right here. Yeah, shorts on gold look good because it can still keep going. Still keep going. Definitely still keep going. God will retrace. Okay, we could break through this consolidation because it was just messing around a lot right there. Could fill that quickly. Yeah, been seeing sells. Been seeing sells. But it's a bit too late. It's looking good. It's looking good for the short. Might scalp it. Let it bounce. You know what I'm gonna do? What am I doing? 3. Quick scalp. Maybe needs a bit more room actually. Wait, a little bit more room. This SP trade starting to also mess around, to be honest. Around 12. So yeah, another hour. Sorry, not another hour, another 10 minutes, no? Yeah, we are coming into lunchtime. Yeah, it's just gonna stop me out, to be honest. I should just cut it, really. It's just a small. Close it. then I have to close it manually. Yeah, it doesn't matter, small loss, it's what it is. Take care, Joe. Appreciate you. Very likely gonna get stopped out of this trade, but oh, there you go. It's all good. Should have got better at taking some profits here. But yeah, I was trying to hold for the breakdown, but yeah, never came. So yeah, it's like just like settling into a range here. This was a bit impulsive, but it don't matter. So good. So I'm ending the day down $200, I think. Yeah, down $200. So a whole load of nothing. But it's all good. It's all good. I didn't really start the day well, to be fair. I was waiting. And then yeah, just gotta come back better next week. But yeah, all good. Down 150, down 170. Yeah, something light. But yeah, like I need to get better, man. I'm not on point. Not on point. New week, new money. Yep. Probably not. By the way, guys, I'm probably not gonna live stream Monday. I'm probably gonna start from Tuesday. Mondays, you know what Mondays are like. Can be a bit choppy. We'll see. If the market's active and I'm in my house, then I'm going to stream on Monday. But you waited too long. That's a good point, Spov. That's a very good point. I did wait too long. I am in the habit of trying to be patient, right? Obviously, there's nothing I could have done before the news, but you're right. That's the way I've been feeling. Like I've been waiting too long, or trying to be patient, and then that tension of inaction or patience kind of builds up. Then I start looking to do something, because if I've sat at the screen for like hours, then my brain's telling me, look, you've sat at the screen for hours waiting. Now you just have to do something. Do you know what I mean? So it's a you know. Anyway, guys. Israel controlled. Yeah, try to. Go. Take it easy. Luke. Yep. Yeah, should have got better taking some money off the table. Should have put some more money on this breakout. So it's like trade sizes need to be a bit more consistent and things like that. So I don't know. First week back though. Don't forget, first week back from feeling a bit, from that month-long break and just not really been, I don't know. It's going to be difficult to get back into the swing of things. Going to be difficult. But going to persevere. So I'm going to catch you guys on Tuesday. More than likely catch you guys on Tuesday instead of Monday. But yeah, take care, guys. Have a great weekend. I appreciate you guys for hanging out on stream. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.